when we say it's oyster time.
Correct me on this, because like I said, I didn't grow up in the land of oysters. I was always, came in one time a year. But can you taste the differences in different varieties? I've always thought I could, but I'm not sure if I'm not making that up. Each oyster has a taste.
Everything's totally different. These right here.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 2 p.m. At 12:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Auburn Gresham to Dalton to near Manee, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include south side of Chicago, Hammond, Gary, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Chicago Heights, South Shore, Roseland, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Lansing, Crown Point, Harvey, Highland, Munster, Dalton, Park Forest, Homewood, Cedar Lake, Steger, Lowell, Chatham, and Auburn Gresham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
16.